Good morning. Today we are going to be reviewing Bossy E, which is also sometimes called silent E. So remember, when I have an E at the end of my word, that E is telling the other vowel to say its name. So remember, our vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. So anytime I have one of those in my word and I have an E at the end, that E is going to tell the other letter to say its name. In this case, it's an A. So I've got K, A, not A, because that bossy E. So K, A, P, K, ape, cape, like a superhero wears. Let's do another one. What if I had a B, I, K, E? Remember that E is going to tell the I to say its name. So I've got B, I, K, B, Ike, B, Ike, bike. What if I had the word not? N-O-T. Not. N-O-T. Not. Then I add that bossy E. Remember that E is going to tell the O to say its name. So I've got N-O-T. N-O-T. Note. Note. Like you write someone a note. Now just a word to remember. When I've got that bossy E that's telling the other one to say its name, that E is so busy being bossy, it doesn't even make a sound. So make sure you don't say the eh sound at the end of your word. Let's look at another one here. What if I take the word rob and I add that bossy E? I want you to think about that for a minute. What would that be? I've got rob, b. But now I've added that bossy E. And that E is going to tell the O to say its name, which is O. So what would that make that word be? Obe. Obe. Robe. Let's try one more. What if I have J-O-K-E? The J says J. And O, in this case, that E is telling the O to say its name, so it's saying O, not A. So J-O-K, J-O-K. Joke. Can you think of any other words that have a bossy E at the end? I'm going to show you one more because this one is tricky. So I've got it N-I-C-E. Well, if I follow the rule of the bossy E, I know the N would say N, the I is going to say its name, which is I, and a C says K. So N-I-K, Nike. Excuse me, I don't know a word that says Nike. Anytime I see a C and an E together, that C is going to sound like an S. So it's not going to say K, like cat or cupcake. It's going to make the S sound instead. I've got a lot going on here. So the N says N, then get I, S, N, ice, N, ice. Nice. Just like all my students. They're nice. Alright guys, so this is what I want you to do. I want you to go ahead and get an iPad and scan the QR code. There's a video for you to watch about bossy E. After that, I want you to go ahead and do the sort. Let me show you what that looks like. So here's your activity. It's a sort. Make sure you write your name and the date at the top. And then you're going to look at each picture and think about what it is, and then find the word that matches. And I want you to write it in the box. We're not going to cut and paste today. We're not going to cut and glue. You're just going to write it in the box. Okay? So let me tell you the different pictures. I have a kite, a cane, a pipe, a bone, robe, gate, cape, 9, bike, ice, mice, and mule. All right, so go ahead and work on that. Remember, we are not cutting and gluing. We're just going to find the one that matches and write it in the box. When you're done with this, go ahead and turn it in, and then you may do a center.